I'm 34 years.
Where are you attached?
I'm attached to Omugaga police station. When he was on criminal charges of preventive robbery. On the same date, I received the case file of office breaking and theft. This was by the Kabalagala CRB 135 of 2019. It was an earlier concluded case file.
CRB
135 of 2019. This was after the Director Uganda Police Forensic Services had informed the Divisional Sales Officer Kabalagala in the police department, where the fingerprints of one William Charles who was in custody by then had matched with those that were lifted at the scene of crime. The scene of crime of office breaking and theft at Chisugu. After this, I forwarded the case file to Western State Attorney for the result of
Bruce, I'm going to ask you some questions. Please, I request you to respond back. Well, what's your rank in police?
Detective Constable.
How long have you worked as the investigating officer?
This is my 7th year.
7 years. All those years at Kabalagala police station or different police stations? Did you make a statement in this matter?
Yes, Your Worship, I recorded my statement.
Do you remember when it was?
Beg your pardon?
Do you remember when you made the statement?
The date.
The date? You don't? Do you remember when the accused was arrested?
This file or the other file?
Sorry?
In this file?
In this file, yes.
Your Worship, the accused was not arrested.
Okay.
With regards to this file, he was already in custody. I met him when he was already in custody. I other churches.
Who handed you therefore? Who handed you this file therefore?
Your worship, it was by now is SP from
SP who?
I beg your pardon, Tabu Joel. Superintendent of Police, Tabu Joel.
Okay. Do you remember when was this offense committed?
Your worship, what I can recall is it was during the year 2019.
You don't remember the dates, right? Okay, fine. Am I therefore right to say that there was another IO in this matter before you?
Your worship, yes, there was an icon.
Who is giving the phone in court?
Do you remember his names?
Yes, your worship.
Was?
Detective Assistant Inspector of Police, Chen Bosco.
Ochenu?
Bosco.
Bosco. Is he a witness before this honorable court?
Your worship.
Is he a witness before this honorable court?
No.
Thank you. When you took over this matter, did you get any brief from him or did you consult him in any way? Are you aware that he made a statement before this honorable court?
In the file?
In this file, yes. When you took over this file, did you revisit the scene of crime?
Your worship, no.
When you took over this file, did you have a chance of looking at the exhibits? For example, the padlock, the key, and the safe?
Your worship, no.
Am I right therefore to say that you have, in this file, we have never exhibited those things?
Yes.
Thank you.
It was exhibited by the former and Sokos at this time.
Did you take a statement from the accused person in regards to this file?
Your worship, no.
Thank you. Am I therefore right to say that you took over this matter under an instruction from your superiors?
Your worship, as regards to, as I explained, it's true. I received the file from my host said, the visual side officer. But my main part was only to coordinate, and because it was a concluded file, it was ready.
That means it was an instructions from your superiors. Whatever you did because you had been directed by your superiors. Is that right?
Yeah, we can.
Thank you. If I may ask as the investigating officer, the fingerprints extracted from the scene of crime, plus the latent marks, do they remain in the police statement, in the police system for some good time?
Yes.
Thank you. Do they
From the crime scene remain in the police system.
for some time? By the time Sipapa was arrested, or even the conclusion of the investigations, were those latent marks still in the forensic system as the investigating officer?
Your Worship, that is the part of Soko.
Bruce, were those latent marks still in the system? Soko already gave his testimony.
Meaning the ones lifted in 2019?
Yes. This file belongs to you, right?
Yes, please.
My question is very simple. By the time Sipapa was arrested or even arraigned in court, conclusion of your investigations, were those latent marks still in the police forensic system?
The ones of 2019?
The ones of 2019?
Lifted from the store breaking, office breaking and...
Yes, Your Worship, I accept yes.
Did you get a chance of checking that system or you didn't have authority?
I don't have the authority.
Thank you. Meaning you are not aware whether the latent marks were still in the system or not?
Your Worship, I expect the fingerprint expert to have explained that.
Thank you. As the investigating officer in this file, were Sipapa's fingerprints lifted at police?
In this file?
In this file? In this file?
Your Worship, Sipa's fingerprints were not lifted in police in this specific file.
Okay. When you took over this file, did you get a chance of perusing through the old file? Did you peruse through the file, the entire file, before it was sanctioned?
Yeah, Your Worship, I perused in the relevant pages.
Yes, it's behind. Can you sit? The two of you, where are you standing? You're medium.
Were you aware that there was a charge sheet in this file? There was a charge sheet in this file before
He was charged.
he was charged?
Yeah, Your Worship, there was another charge sheet.
Just to confirm, is it the one? Is that the one?
Your Worship, yes.
What's the name of the suspect there in?
This was Adui Lamek, who was convicted as an expert.
Lamek.
Adui.
Adui, yes. Is it Adui or Adui?
A-D-U-I. Lamek. Alex Lamek. Lamek.
I have a copy of the charge sheet here before this honorable court. Is there a difference between these two charge sheets, especially in the amount of money and the property stolen? Just have a look at what you did vis-a-vis what was done then. Is there a difference in the amount of money?
The value of the property stolen.
Yes.
Your worship, it is there.
Okay.
So it is just small coin. Cost is 169, and on mine it is also 169.
Bruce, it's okay, it's okay.
So it's the same.
Is there a difference?
In the old charge sheet, they made a round of 169.
Huh?
Mine was specific of 169, then 59,085.
Then my question, it's okay, I'm still asking you on the same. Is there a difference?
The first time sheet was 169 million.
Round, yeah.
In the one you preferred,
It was 169, then 59,085.
169,
59,085.
80.
85.
You go to the old charge sheet. What are the properties there are in the particulars? If you are to mention them.
Your worship, in the old charge sheet, there were cameras.
Okay. How many?
They were not specified. They did not specify the number.
In the old charge sheet.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Laptops.
Is there a number? Get me a copy. Get me that copy. Okay.
Cameras, laptops.
And cash.
Okay. Go to the second one. Okay. Is there more?
Sorry?
In the
That is
second
all.
one. That's all, right?
Yes, please.
The second one, which you prefer. Is there any camera?
Just list the properties in your charge sheet.
Oh, yes.
Okay. There were 4 common batteries,
Okay.
11 camera lenses, 5 compact flashes, 8 computers, 5 filters, 4 hard disks,
After 8 computers, what do you have?
5 filters, 4 hard disks, 1 electric dictionary,
Electric what?
electric
Dictionary.
dictionary. Then a backpack,
Backpack.
an electric book, extension cube, laptop bag, and cash.
Meaning there was no laptops in the charge sheet you preferred, and there were no cameras. Is that right?
Yes, Your Worship.
Thank you. The charge sheet which you preferred, did you have a look at all the receipts of those properties?
Your Worship, the receipts were attached.
Did you have a look at all those receipts
For the properties.
for the
listed.
properties listed?
Not all, but
Thank you.
some.
Bruce, you informed us that you perused through the file, the old file, which was given to you, or which your brother or Cheng investigated. Were you aware that at the scene of crime it had cameras? The scene of crime had cameras?
Your Worship, there were cameras.
There were cameras. Thank you. Did you try to follow up on the footage of those cameras?
Your Worship, in the minutes and the statement of the chain, it indicates that the cameras were faulted that night. Issue of outfits.
Do you have a copy of those minutes here? You have them there where you are?
They must be file.
Okay. They are in your police file, right? According to your investigations, who was the complainant in this matter? Or who is the complainant in this matter? Wada. Was it the director of the company?
Your Worship, yes.
Okay. As the investigating officer, do you remember the name of the company?
Your Worship, no.
Thank you. Meaning you are not sure whether he was the director, or you are not sure of the existence of that company, neither his directorship. Is that true?
Your Worship, basing on the information within the file, it shows that he owned an office.
He owned an office, meaning he never owned a company.
Your Worship, I don't know that because I'm not sure whether he had a company, but the case is on office.
According to your statement, you say that the director of forensics informed the division CID officer of the forensic report. Is that true?
Yes, Your Worship.
Was it through a phone call or a letter? Formally a letter.
It
It was a letter. Do you have a copy of that letter here?
I expected the fingerprint expert.
My brother, do you have a copy of that letter here? To the CID regional or division?
Your Worship, there is a photocopy. It's fine.
Okay. But you don't have it where you are? Thank you. According to your statement, you again said that a request letter for the report was submitted to forensic. Are you the one who sent it to forensic? A request letter to forensic?
It was the divisional service.
Meaning you've never seen that letter also?
The request letter?
Yes.
The copy goes directly to forensic services.
There's a statement here, or chain, Bosco's statement. Police statement, yes. Upon perusal of the same, can you please confirm whether that is his statement?
Your Worship, this is
That's the one.
same statement.
In that same statement, Ochen says that the accused person or the suspect in this case was Lamak Odu. Can you please confirm it? Or do you? Something like that. It's the first page. It's the first page. Can I help you?
It's like on the first page. I've seen the page.
You've seen the page, yeah? Thank you so much. Can you confirm the same?
He indicated Lamech as the suspect. You read the way it is. That part.
Your Worship, this handwriting is not clear, but I can see, I can quote this sentence that, however, the handwriting is not clear. Then he goes on and says, the accused person identified in the camera is Biwanvuye, who was putting on white jumper. But his other part is his handwriting wasn't.
It's okay. Just reread that because my other question was going there. Just to confirm that same statement, that the accused person who was seen in the camera was who?
Was Biwanvuye putting on a white jumper.
Thank you so much. As the primary investigating officer, my brother, Bruce, as the primary investigative officer who was Ocheng, did he mention anything concerning Sipapa in his statement?
Your Worship, no.
Thank you. Did he in his statement confirm that the video coverage showed Lamech? Is that true?
In his statement, he's showing that one Biwanvuye was seen,
Thank you.
but he did not specify whether on the time of committing the offense.
No, that's not your responsibility. You ought to have done that. Help me with the copy. Just a last confirmation as I tender in these two documents. Help me with the some documents. The documents you have. Help me with this statement. This one. Yes, fortunately. According to you, you said that there are minutes that that Ocheng wrote that the footages were faulty. Is that true?
In the minutes.
In the minutes, yes. Is it anywhere in his statement? According to the statement of peruse there, is it anywhere that shows that the camera or the footage was faulty?
In his police statement.
In his police statement? No. Thank you so much. Can you also confirm that in his statements he says that during the commission of the offense, an accused person identified in the camera as Odu Lamech was putting on the white jumper? Can you please confirm that? Because that is the reason why the cameras are not faulty.
statement.
Thank you so much.
Ekirala kakasa nti kamera Omukyenge yagamba nti olulameka yalabikira mu kamera kikakasa nti kamera tezaalifu kiye.
Have you ever, or in this matter as the investigative officer, because we've been following it up, is there anywhere they have exhibited the keys for the safe itself, together with the key, the safe, together with the padlock? Have they been exhibited in court?
What she has explained, it was done by the Sokos, the ones who visited the scene, and then
Have those things, my brother, you're the IO, have those same things been exhibited in court? The answer is yes or no, or I don't know. Thank you so much. You want to pray to tender in these 3 documents?
Ebizibiti ebyogerwako ebisumuluzo ne seefu oba n'amakufu byayimirizibwako mu kkooti.
One is the former charge sheet. Secondly, the IO statement, that is my brother, the former IO, and also the current IO. As defense exhibits or evidence. The simple agenda, Your Honor. Mr. Clerk. Your Honor, Ocheni's statement has been confirmed by the current IO, who has also confirmed before this honorable court and identified the same. He has not distanced himself from the same because he's the investigating officer who took over directly from Ochan. As such, I pray that the same be allowed.
On the police file, I overrule the objection and allow the statement as a defense exhibit.
Yabadde awakanya ng'agita mu fayiro ya poliisi ate akola kunoonyereza mu kiseera kino yagikakasizza nti alimanyi koti ewakanyizza okuwakanya emmangu wa gavumenti.
I see the last exhibit was 9 for the defenses. Is there anything about that? Is defense exhibit 10? That's the first charge sheet. Police statement of the witness in court recorded on 20th November 2022 is defense exhibit 11. Then the police statement of Chen Gospel recorded on 8th February 2019 is defense exhibit 12.
With the defense exhibit number 12, the statement about chain. The point where you mentioned that the suspect in this case, it's Abdul Lamek, as seen in the camera. Does it imply that the person who broke into the office was Abdul Lamek? Need clarification on that.
Your Worship, no. Doesn't imply that he was agreeable because he did not Abdul Lamek breaking the office. He mentioned that he was seen moving, was seen in the cameras, but he did not kill him from
baali bamukamera yamulaga ng'amenya nti nedda bamukamera zamulaba bulabi ng'atambula.
We talked about the padlock and the safe, which was executed by Formayo. Was it before you took over or after you were already allocated this file?
we were investigated the file over this case file. Before, this was, that was 2019.
Yabifunanga amaze okuweebwa fayiro kinene.
Where's our chain currently? Where's our final chain currently?
At the moment, I don't know because I tried this, the accountability I intended, but then it was not going to.
Kiri mu kiseera kino aliddamu kinayita amaani wagyali yagezaako n'omukubira namba embuzi yasanga naye teyasobola okuziyitamu.
At the time you took over the investigations, was the scene of crime already visited or it was not yet visited?
It was already visited.
Era we yatandikira okunoonyereza we yafunira fayiro n'otandika okunoonyereza ekifo omusango ejaziwa baali bamaze okituukako kiye.
As the investigating officer, did you appreciate the connection between the first case aggravated robbery and this one? Did you get the link between the two cases? Yes, there's an issue of this fingerprints was lifted in the aggravated robbery case. So I want to know what is the link between that particular whatever and this one. Was arrested in the aggravated robbery case.
Yes.
But the fingerprints, it's in relations.
Fingerprints were not lifted in
Were
this
not
case.
lifted in
They
this
were
case.
not lifted in
In
this
this
case.
case.
So we want now him to connect the link between that one and this case.
But I never asked
Your
about the
Worship,
same.
Yeah, I'm clarifying.
What you answer?
in this case of this record, the fingerprints of Super were not lifted, specifically in this case. In the other case,
Yes, the question he has asked you not answered.
So what is now the link between those
but it was
and this
after his
aggravated case and this one?
Chelsea's arrest, that's when his fingerprints were lifted from him. But when they were sent to forensic services, they matched with those that were there that had been lifted at the scene of spraying.
Fingerprints zaali zaamugibwa ku musango gw'obunyabulizi. Omukono ogw'okumenya kafuzi baali tebazimugyako naye nga baakizuula oluvannyuma baasanga nti zaali zikwatagana n'ezimu nga zifaanagana n'ezo ze baali baafuna ku musango gw'obunyabulizi.
position of ASP Tabajwe in Kampala?
He was the division side officer.
About the old touch sheet and this one, which you talked about, the differences between the two. Was the accused person in the first file also the same as the second charge sheet? Because that is the thing which you did not point out to court. Are they the same accused persons?
Yeah, what should we know? Tuesday was
Allow time to file submissions by 17th January. I don't know when you're appearing in high court, you don't have complete days. 16 January.
You want to be 16th January.
The government order in 6th February.
Available.
6th February for me. So at noon.
Most of that.
Thank you, Bible.